Semaine 2, prise 2.
This week, we got a deeper understanding of stakeholders involved in the decision-making and investment phases of the project. We perceive that the members of this highly influential group of people are not fully engaged and connected with the project. The discussions that were taking place showed that instead of being aligned with a common vision, they would each pull to their own particular project goals and benefits. We also found it extremely alarming the lack of a playful atmosphere in this meeting and among this group of people. We are fully aware that this was an important meeting concerning big issues and big time and money investments for many sectors involved. But we believe that despite this fact, it is impossible to successfully move the project forward without the presence of a clear play DNA in the development of the project.
Une micro-intervention à succès.
By the end of this week, we conducted our first intervention. We scheduled a meeting with the project team with the purpose of sharing and reaffirming the insights we had collected so far in order to proceed. Using the metaphorical frame of conquering the Playline, we organized 2 activities. The first one to discuss and reflect upon the broad spectrum of stakeholders, and the second one to share and prioritize challenges where we could intervene with a playful process. Some of the results we had from this first intervention were that they were new but very receptive to the techniques we were using to have discussions, which simply consisted of light body gestures and moving sticky notes around, but it required them to be more physically active, which resulted in them being more mentally engaged. They voiced out their willingness to continue with the discussions despite being over our estimated time. They found it really relevant to learn more about these types of processes, to use them during their own meetings and presentations, and we had already discussed this among ourselves, which is why we consider important to continue with these micro-interventions as an inside job in the project.
Coupé.